Yeah, let's continue Python for AWS. Now let's understand Python introduction for Amazon Web Services. So first important point, Python is a programming language. When we say Python is a programming language, what kind of programming language it is? We may hear from when we start computer science, we may hear uh, terms like scripting-oriented programming, procedure-oriented programming, object-oriented programming, modular-oriented programming. We may hear C is a procedure-oriented, C++ is a object-oriented, Java is a object-oriented. So we may hear different programming styles. Then Python is what kind of programming language? Python is a scripting oriented. Python is a procedure oriented. Python is a object oriented. Python is a modular oriented programming language. It means it is supporting scripting oriented. It is supporting procedure oriented. It is supporting object oriented. It is supporting modular oriented. Python was implemented by Guido van Rossum in 1989. First version was released in the year 1991. It is not a new language. It is not a new language. It was invented in 1989. First version was released in 1991. At that time, people giving priority to only object-oriented programming languages. Object-oriented programming languages. That time, people faced little difficulties with procedure-oriented. So, people moved to object-oriented programming language. They do not aware importance of a language having these many features. A language having these many features. So that's why industry initially used Python only for scripting oriented, server side scripting language. Python, most of the people used Python in server side scripting. They do not aware importance of these many programming styles because you may hear Java was invented in 1995 and Java is most popular that time because Java is pure object oriented programming. That time people giving priority to pure object oriented programming languages. But people do not aware importance of a programming language having these many features. When people aware this importance is when big data revolution comes into picture. When big data evolution comes into picture, they started applying Java on big data solutions. They find lot of complexity of a programming. They chose other programming. They find Scala. Scala is Java based programming language and they find best programming language is Python because of scripting oriented, because of procedure oriented, because of object, because of modular oriented. We can write solutions in any one of the way. It reduces a lot of complexity. It simplifies programming. That's why people started using any data solution using Python. Data analytics, data engineering, data science, generative AI, these all data side people started using Python. Nowadays, if you see anywhere in data related, people are using Python only. And what Guido Van Rossum is saying, he taken best features, scripting oriented features from Perl script language and Shell script language, and he taken best features from processor oriented features from C language. He taken best object oriented features from C++ language. He taken best modular oriented features from Modula language. He removed problems associated with those languages, and he created a best powerful programming Python programming language. Okay. And where can we use Python in AWS? So Python is using in automation of AWS. Let's say EC2 infrastructure or any infrastructure related, we can do automation. Any admin related, you can do automation using Python. AWS development, we can implement using Python. AWS data analytics, we can implement using Python. AWS data engineering, we can implement using Python. AWS data science, we can implement using Python. AWS generative AI, there is a concept called AWS Bedrock. We can implement using Python. AWS IoT, we can implement using Python. AWS AI related machine learning, we can implement using Python. In multiple AWS area, people are using Python tip. They are using, along with the Python, they are using multiple other languages. Python also used in multiple areas. Multiple AWS development areas, people are using Python tip. Okay, clear, right? What is Python? Where we are using Python in AWS development? In AWS, they are providing SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. Using SDK, we can interact with any service in AWS team. You may hear Boto 3. Boto 3 API is available for multiple languages, also available for Python. Using AWS SDK, you can implement AWS development. Okay.